Wikipedia has its limitations as a resource. It's only a starting point, it's a work in progress, it's very incomplete. So I encourage people to think of it as a platform and a community, to see it as something dynamic that they can take part in. And when we move from Wikipedia just being something on the web that you can consult to something you can actively improve, then you open up the possibility of educational activities. So rather than just passively reading Wikipedia, encouraging students, encouraging the public to fix errors, add citations, add images. So there's lots of activities there which have a visible output, and people engage with the community. That might mean they get criticism, they get questioned why they use this particular source, why they're cited in a particular way, and they have to defend that. And that takes people out of their comfort zone, but it's a potentially great learning experience to go through to get feedback from people and to be able to demonstrate your work. Wikipedia and the other sites, they track changes made to them. So you can point to an article and say, I created that text, or I took an article through a review process. There's all these review processes and efforts to improve the quality of Wikipedia going on behind the scenes. And we want to encourage people to do that, to click the edit button, to click the upload file button, or to get involved into a discussion about quality and what sources should be cited in the Wikipedia article about your subject topic, what knowledge should be included, get people involved in that debate, and hopefully get a different view of online resources. Having been involved in making one, having been involved in making one of the most popular sources, which would be the Wikipedia article on your topic, people can have a more critical and more questioning relationship with things they found online. So everybody's heard of Wikipedia. Wikimedia is less well known, and people think, is that a typo or a pun or something? Really, Wikimedia is the umbrella term that covers the effort to freely summarize and freely share the sum of all knowledge, really knowledge and culture, because we're summarizing arts and creative works. So Wikipedia, the free encyclopedia, plays a really important role in that. There's also Commons, which is for sharing digital media files like photographs, video clips, 3D files. Wikisource is the free library. So that's out of copyright text that people are transcribing to build up a free library of knowledge. Wikibooks is for writing how-tos and kind of textbook-like material in a Wikipedia-like interface, but more less constrained. And the most recent one is Wikidata. So this is summarizing knowledge and culture in database statements that can be read by a computer and could be used to build apps and interactive websites and so on. So not all knowledge takes the same form. Some knowledge can be represented as facts in a database, some can't. Some topics need narrative and kind of setting out the different sides of the argument. Sometimes you need to look at the source materials, the source poetry or the legislation or whatever other primary documents. And a lot of knowledge is figurative. You need visual media and audio to represent that. So we're trying to capture knowledge in all the different senses of knowledge.